tack or a nail in our tire. It was flat. I just got some air in it. Now we're gonna take it out and try to plug our tire. Okay. Bear in mind, guys, if you see a tack or a nail in your tire and you're not gonna plug it or patch it right away, don't take it out. You might be doing more harm to your ear than you think. Okay, so let me get my tools ready. Okay, here we have the cleaner for the hole. Okay, and this we have the plug filler, and this is some plugs. All right, so you know what? Let me go ahead and get this ready. So we can this flow. Plug of center. Center to me. Alright, so get that out of the way. Get our tack out. Haha, you hear that? Get this in there. So this we cut flush with the surface of the tire, the remainder. So we don't want to push the plug all the way in. Push it like 2/3 or 3/4, whatever measurement you want to use. Then we cut it flush with the tire, and that's it. Ready to pump and ready to go.